Hello and welcome. It's me, Geeky Gabe, and today we're going to be continuing our how to make a website in Dreamweaver. So, to get started, we're just going to go ahead and open our index. I don't think I've ever mentioned this, but I'm using Dreamweaver CS 5.5. If you're using anything under CS 5, probably not going to be able to do some stuff that I'm doing. But like, you can just, yeah. Most people use CS6, but 5.5 works fine. Not gonna get another one. Okay, so today we're gonna be doing our banner. So as you can see, it looks kind of weird here because it's a different color. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is look for our heading. There, header. On our CSS, we're gonna change our background. Can we? Actually, no. We're gonna be using an image anyway, so. Just gonna open up Adobe Photoshop. This is an really old version, but it's gonna work. It works better than the other version I have for recording. You can use GIMP too. It's basically the same. Okay. So I'm just gonna go. File new blank file. And we're gonna call this banner, and it's gonna be 800 by 600 pixels. Make sure it's on pixels, and okay. Okay, so here's our banner. Go ahead and double click there and then click OK. Now we're gonna get our eraser tool. Open, make it nice and big so it covers the whole area. There we go. Clean that all out. So now we have this grid, which means it's transparent. Now you just go ahead and grab our text tool and write out whatever you want. So just gonna change the font here. Okay. There we go. It's not the color. That's it right there. And then here we're gonna do. Okay, so that looks pretty decent right now. We just did text, but like what you can do is just take the pencil. Okay, take the pencil and draw around, or you can use the gradient, but that's if you don't mind not having a clear background. You just put a gradient on it. Also, you just go ahead and use the paintbrush if I can find it. And just paint on it. Do all that. Anywho, that's not what we're going to be doing. We're just going to file save. And make sure you do this as PNG, or else the background is not going to be transparent. Now we're going to go ahead and go into that. Sample website. Okay, so banner.png, save. Okay. Now here, we're just gonna go and browse for it. Okay. Banner. Okay. Apply. Oh, never mind. Never mind. Okay, so that's good like that. So we're gonna go back into Photoshop, and we're just gonna restart. We're gonna do 600 by 200. I'm just gonna. Alright, so I'm just gonna speed up, and I'll be right back. That'll do for now. I'll figure out how to change it after. Yeah, so save that. And now we have to just apply it to all of them, so I'm just going to fast forward through that. Okay, so we're back, and I got interrupted again, but it just came to my mind. Oh, these are all different colors, but it doesn't really matter. It looks kind of cool like that anyway. What we're going to be doing is we're going to get into code a little. And where is this leading us to? Why is it going to the Twitter? Okay, well, go here. Don't know why it's going to the Twitter. Boom. Okay. And it'll change this just to HTTP. Or just no. Index. Save that off. So now, whenever you click on this, yeah, that's weird. It's the only one that had it. Okay. Now that whenever you click it, it will bring you to the index, which is usually what websites have. Usually. Control Z, Control O. Index. Index. Then here. /A. The slash didn't show. Boom. What? Sorry that I'm a bit off. I'm really tired today, but I need to get this out. Okay. I don't know what that guy's doing there. If we preview it in Chrome. Yeah. It's not there. Dot HTML. Dot HTML. Now basically we're just gonna copy this link code to back into the banner. So okay. Now if I'm correct, yeah, it brings us back to our index. That was really stupid of me. Shouldn't have done that. What I did was I made this one go to index 2. Okay. So basically what we just did was we made it so that when you click on the image, it will bring you back to the index. So what we just did was image source, or actually not that. So ahref will bring us to index.html, which takes care of it. Yeah, so that should do that. That does it fine. And we're just gonna do this now, and then we should be done. So what? Oh, I forgot format this. Format align center. Oh, yeah, I didn't really see you in the center. Format align center. Okay, very nice. Now, that's pretty stupid, but cool. We don't need terms anyway. Okay, so for the donate page, what we're going to be doing here is I'm going to be getting code from PayPal. Sign in. If you don't know what it is, it's basically like a online debit card. You just link your debit card with it and then pay online, send money, get paid. That's basically it. So I'll be right back. We're here, all logged in. Now what you have to do here is just go to the link in the description. I don't know if it's gonna work, but basically you just go to Merchant Services, Buy Now button, and it'll bring you here. So this is what it's gonna look like. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna put it to donations. So it says donate. The organization will be Geeky Gabe, and you could do an ID, not necessary. Now you could customize it, or you could create your own button. I like this one. Everyone knows it's universal, it's trusted. Currency is going to be Canadian, you can change that. And donors enter their own contribution amount, or they can do a fixed one. Fixed, I don't know, it's preference. And then secure my merchant ID. Now, Save button at PayPal, yeah. Okay, now this is what we had to do. Can your customer add special interest in a message? Yes. Do you need no. So it's gonna bring us to Gabe the geek.co.nf/thanks.html. Take customization. Actually, this is gonna go to Gabe the geek.co.nf slash or just there http // okay. That's not necessary. Create button. I put too many T's. Create button. Okay, so you're gonna get HTML code. Looks really confusing, but what we're gonna do here is just boom, right there. We're gonna go to our split. Actually, we'll just go into code, and here we will just paste our HTML code. And the good thing is that it is HTML, which means it's all PayPal stuff. We don't have any JavaScript in here, nothing. This is all coming from PayPal. So if we look at our design, there we have it. We can just grab all of it. Format, align, center. There we go. Save that off. Open up in Chrome. Now we have a donate button. Click the donate button. You put your donation amount. But what we want to change here is we want to make a duplicate of index. So we're going to go here, boom. And just copy and paste it. So we have our index copy. And we're going to rename it to thanks. Now we can open up that. Here we are. And yeah, I'm just going to type something real quick. I'll be right back. Okay, so there we go. That concludes this episode. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Sorry that it was a little like me. But yeah. This is Geeky Gabe. Peace.